This episode was brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. I'm Marley Oxenholm from Pentester Academy TV, and welcome to our show, The Toolbox, where we showcase the latest and greatest software tools so you can use them to better your security. I have a great tool to show you guys today. Let's take a look at Command Injection Vulnerable OS. This tool is a collection of web applications vulnerable to command injection vulnerability. It contains 10 applications in an Ubuntu OVA file and is great for testing out web pen testing skills. This tool even comes with a manual and was developed by our very own Ashish Bangali, who is at HackserGuy on Twitter. Now, you're probably wondering how to use this tool. Well, take a look at this great example. In this demo, we will learn how to exploit PHP charts application using Metasploit framework. First, let's check the IP address of the Command Injection Vulnerable OS. If we browse to this IP address using our web browser, we will be able to observe multiple vulnerable applications. However, let's focus on PHP chart application for now. We will now search for exploit module for PHP chart application on Metasploit framework. We will select the PHP chart exploit module and set IP address of the target machine as our host. Then we have to run the exploit command to execute the module. We can observe that we were able to exploit the PHP chart application and get a shell. In this manner, a pen tester can practice and improve their skills before moving on to real-world targets. Well, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tool breakdown. Be sure to tune in next time for another episode of The Toolbox. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook so you don't miss out on any of the latest cybersecurity news. Do you have an open source tool that you would like to appear on the show? Then send us the GitHub link at our email address at media@pentesteracademy.com for consideration. This episode is brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. Want to learn about another tool? Then click on any of these videos right over here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos.